Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Oppo A17. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Google Classroom. Now select it and download it. After the installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started. Choose the account for the classroom. Then select this plus button and join the class. Enter the class code right here. And when it's ready, press on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.